On this note, I would also like to say that this center is more than just a building, but it's a symbol of empowerment. And we hope that the functioning of this center, we can see positive visible changes in our community.
Dengan Msrls ni kita ye Cmtc ko apa changing on. Anchang ye state to yan brig pong enga. Anchang Garo Hills so de gni pong enga ha. Una anchang kasi region ang oba yako apa chang ha. Yako apa chang na kita mija bulsi naga nachan andi ba chinga sumairang chojok chang na chinga yako apa chang na kita matja ha ba inaugurate khana kita matja ha.
biap pun acung jakali acung siapa berbang lebat tentang training yang pernah kita makino aru acung bapa sumerongan acung distriko nama biap baju biap orang dongjani asilo training oke cipu mateka reduran nanga basuk bade basuk biap absang kita ramu nasi mana training nak nanga betul dia training center dong maham oke cipu nasi mana subida oke syuk oke nasi mang training yang pernah kita makin aru sumerong pun nambate jakali nak kita nasi mana makin
So you are in a way the model CLF, the model training center for the entire region. So in the coming days, we would like all the other SAGs, VOs, CLFs to be associated with this training center so that they will learn from you. They will understand all the activities that you have been doing over the past years, which has led to this particular training center. So they all learn from you and take back to their own villages, their own CLFs, and they all would be having similar training centers.
Marami